There are a lot of skills that you need to learn or that would make you money with zero capital, even in this economy. Yeah. Let me sit where. Let me sit where. Okay, so I want you to learn these two skills very well, or these two skills. Number one is Facebook. Go and learn how to run Facebook ads. Go and learn how to run Instagram ads. And if you already know how to run those two, fine. Now go and learn content creation as well. When you know these two things, now come back to this video and learn how to use these two things to make money with zero capital. Now, the word I'm going to be introducing to you today is dropshipping. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is when you sell a product you do not own. You connect suppliers to buyers without actually without the supply without the buyer actually knowing, right? So how do you actually use this term or this model of business to make money? Now remember I said you should go and learn Facebook ads and Instagram ads, right? And content creation. This is what is going to happen. There are suppliers that bring evergreen products in bulk to Nigeria. They bring it in bulk, like they ship in containers every three or two months to Nigeria, and they are constantly looking for people to redistribute those products for them. That is where you come in. Now, since you know, you've learned how to run ads, right? Your job is to go and look for customers. Your job is to keep looking for customers to connect to the suppliers. Now, they do not need to know that you are connecting them to the suppliers. This is how the model actually works. When you get a supplier that sells the particular product you want to sell, this can work for any product. So far, it is a physical product. It can work for kitchen items. It can work for jewelries. It can work for hair extension. It can work for footwear. It can work for jewelries, right? So when you get the suppliers that are supplying this thing, you start running Instagram and Facebook ads. You start getting customers. Now, with their money, you are going to use that money to serve them. Say these people pay you 20,000 naira for what? For footwear. They pay you 20,000 naira for footwear. They are also going to pay you 3,000 naira or 5,000 naira for way bill. That is making 25,000 naira. Now, with this 25,000 naira, you go to that supplier to go and to go and process their orders for them. So you might think that, okay, these suppliers, they bring it in container. How will they even sell to me that I'm a retailer or something, or sell one for me? There are some of these suppliers that actually allow you to buy one by one. When you find them, make sure that you have them in numbers, say 2 to 3, because when this person does not have this one, the other person must have it. You understand when you start. Now to my point is, or to what I was saying before I digressed, 25,000 naira, you pay your supplier maybe the price of the product. You know you are selling for 20,000 naira, maybe your supplier is selling for 10,000 naira. So you pay your supplier 10,000 naira plus the amount for way bill or delivery. That's 15,000 naira. You have 10,000 naira. Now you communicate with your customer or with this third party that, see, oh, this item is going to be sent within 2 to 3 days. So you've already given the allowance for your supplier to send the products down. This can work anywhere, even if you're in Abuja, even if you're in Kaduna, even if it can work anywhere and for any type of product. Okay, so do not limit yourself. This can work for anything. The reason why I said you should go and learn content creation and learn Instagram and Facebook ads is to continuously get traffic for that product or products. You can combine 2 or 3 products that are in the same niche. Is to continuously get people that are going to pay you for this. And the reason why I say you should learn content creation is that trust is rare in Nigeria with Nigerian customers. So with content creation, you'll be able to provide social proofs, testimonials. You'll be able to show your real face, show the face behind the brand, and you'll be able to provide valuable content, like authoritative content, educational content, depending on your niche. So with content creation, this will eliminate the trust issues, right? Because Nigerians are very So that is exactly how to make money with no money. This may sound like, does this even work? It works. I have done it before. In fact, I am still doing it. Are you shocked? If I declare how much I have made from dropshipping, you will not think that, wow, wow, you just drop it. It is not just dropshipping. It works. It works. Now, how do you get suppliers? I've been talking about get suppliers, do this, do that. The actual resources now, how do you get suppliers? Now, you can, if you stay close to Lagos or Ibadan, you can travel to big markets like Balogun markets, Ojota, Oshodi markets, mainland markets. Let me tell you where they are plenty, depending on what you want to buy. If you say you want to go into clothing business and shoe business, go to Mandilas, Lagos Island. You're going to see a lot of them that allow drop shipping. You can make inquiries there and tell them that this is what you are into. Don't tell them that you're just starting. This is what you are into. How do you connect with them? Some of them have broadcast lists that they use to send their product pictures and prices. Some of them have group chats, and some of them do not. They just have physical stores. Just collect their numbers and tell them to add it to whatever means they use to advertise their products. Another way is to go and look for them online. If you stay very far, like Kaduna, you cannot travel down. So go to Instagram. There are plenty on Instagram. Go to TikTok. All you need to do is type maybe jewelry supplier in Lagos, jewelry supplier in Ibadan. They are going to bring their contact out, and you can contact them online and ask them all the questions. Do your market research. Go and look for the supplier that has the best price. But then when you find the best price, don't only settle for just best price. Look for the best service. You cannot know until you order from them. Some are very sluggish with their service. They don't care about their customer very much because they have a lot of customers, while some are very, very good and nice. So yeah, another way to get supplier is to go and find somebody that is selling supplier contacts. Yes, there are people that sell suppliers contacts for your niche or for your market. So go and look for them on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Now, when you get the supplier, the next thing is to go and find traffic, right? I said, go and learn how to sell. There are so many resources on this same YouTube that can teach you how to sell: video marketing, Instagram marketing, WhatsApp marketing, Facebook marketing. Go and buy courses that will teach you how to sell. Right. So now, I think that is all I have for you in this video, and I think I've been able to convince you that you can actually do business without without a lot of capital, because the main thing that will take capital is the stock. And when the stock is eliminated, like you have suppliers that are going to supply you, the next thing is to spend on marketing, and that is not as expensive as buying plenty stock, right? So yeah, you remember I talked about suppliers contacts and how to get suppliers contact. Check the link in the description. I have suppliers contact for every category of products, naming household items, senator wears, furniture, footwear, what's it called, jewelry, hair extension. I have them in Lagos and Ibadan. Check the description. You're going to see a link to join. Then I also have a full master class on footwear business. If you want to go into selling sneakers, trendy sneakers, loafers and slides, I have a full course there. This course also contains video marketing, it contains WhatsApp marketing, it contains Instagram marketing, it contains all the marketing that I say you should go and learn. It contains content creation. Now, starting out, you should prioritize WhatsApp marketing because it is closer to your customers, and it can really help you build that trust faster. So in this course also, I discussed WhatsApp marketing, the type of content you should be posting, you should be creating as a newbie, how to generate leads, how to generate, that is a lot of jargon, how to generate people, how to bring that traffic, that eyeball into your business. Everything is explained there. And if it is just the marketing aspect you want to learn, maybe WhatsApp marketing, video man, da 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 da, I also have a course on on that. It is not linked in the description, but you can use any of the links to send me a message, and I'll send that to you as well. So yes, if you want to learn how to start your own e-commerce business, this is the way to go. You can check other videos on my channel like this, and I'll see you in the next video.